talk about the NPR for June. We're featuring John Deere. The John Deere engines that we're going to focus on today are the 4045, which is a 4-cylinder engine, and the 6068, which is a 6-cylinder engine. And we have a number of kits that are now available. There's 3 different engine kits for the 4045, and the difference in those is the pistons and liners. The John Deere engines are in a wide variety of applications, but they're most popular, obviously, in agriculture equipment. So that's where you'll find a lot of these different engines. It's got a cast iron liner, like a traditional diesel engine, and it's got an aluminum piston. So you can see the overhaul parts we have shown there. Get a better picture of it. So that's a typical in-frame or overhaul kit. This is an overhaul kit because you can tell the crank seals come in the gasket set. But you'll see the pistons are gravity die-cast aluminum parts, and then they're fine diamond turned with a Ni-resist top ring carrier for durability. The cylinder liners are all plateau honed, made from alloy cast iron, just like the OEM. So you can see some of the different parts we have in the kit there. You can see the rod and main bearings. Our rod bearings are all tri-metal construction instead of some of them are aluminum from the OEM. So we did follow the OEM guide for the engine bearings. Also for the pistons, we have the same ring locations and so on. The gasket kits, you can see in the picture there, a lot of those gaskets are produced right here in Cleveland. So you can see the different materials there. You see the pink MP15 material, which is Cummins uses a lot of. You can see that beige gasket down in front there. That's actually HFL, which was traditionally, for us anyway, Caterpillar material. But you can see John Deere also uses HFL. And they do use a lot of Prentice seal or silicone beading on their gaskets. So those gaskets are produced here in the Cleveland factory. We're cutting them on our machinery here. You'll notice these gaskets are very thin as compared to, say, a Cat or a Cummins gasket. Some of our customers, they've asked us to producing a oversized head gasket for these, which we have agreed to do. So for these particular engines, 4045, 6068, we are going to be providing an oversized gasket. These gaskets are graphite composite with a floating or fixed fire ring to seal the combustion gases.